Dining out has become much more than a simple way to satisfy hunger. For many people, it is a significant social occasion, a chance to relax with friends, or celebrate a special event. Whether you are visiting a casual local cafe or a more formal establishment, understanding the standard flow of a restaurant visit is essential for a smooth and enjoyable experience. The experience typically begins with a reservation. For popular or high-end venues, it is almost mandatory to book a table in advance to avoid disappointment. Upon arrival, you are greeted by a host who confirms your booking and escorts you to your table. Once you are settled, you are provided with a menu, which is organized into logical sections: appetizers, entrees, and desserts. A professional dining experience generally follows a structured rhythm. Most guests begin with an appetizer, which is a light dish intended to stimulate the appetite. This is followed by the entree or main course, which serves as the centerpiece of the meal. To enhance the main dish, restaurants often suggest side dishes such as roasted vegetables or seasoned potatoes, which are designed to complement the primary flavors of the entree. A hallmark of high-quality service is the staff's ability to accommodate specific requests. If you have dietary restrictions such as a gluten allergy or a vegan diet, it is important to communicate this clearly to your server. A professional waiter will proactively suggest suitable options, ensuring that every guest feels well looked after. The evening concludes with the final stage: settling the bill. While this is a simple transaction, it is the last impression the restaurant makes. In many cultures, leaving a gratuity is standard practice if the service met your expectations. Whether you pay by cash or card, taking a moment to acknowledge the staff is a polite way to finish your meal before you depart.